How to resize designs on Canva. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can resize designs on Canva. For that, let's start by opening any web browser and navigate to the Canva's website canva.com. Once you're on the home page, scroll down to find your designs. Here, click on your design and you will be directed to this page. Here, first click on the design and a menu will appear. Click on Detach from Background. Once you do so, you can now resize your design to your liking. And if you want to resize the design from templates provided by Canva, then click on this home option to go back to the home page. Click on Custom Size here and select the size of your canvas. You will be redirected to this page. Here, use the search bar and type designs there to look for the designs. Search it. You will be presented with various designs. Once you have found the design you like, click and drag it to your canvas. Now you can resize the text, images as your liking. If you want to resize multiple designs at once, you can use the group option. To do this, select all the designs you want to resize, then click on the group option. This will create a group of designs that you can resize together. So in this way, you can resize designs on Canva. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.